nightmares, da. It's a car. Hello.
Hello. Am I speaking to Mr. NTK?
Yes.
Oh, well, great. Yeah, you have got a
Night
job
shift.
opportunity in a local toy house factory thingy. I don't know. You're gonna be at the night guard.
Okay. Uh, when is the timings for the night shift?
The night shift lasts the entire night.
The entire night.
Hey, loser! You mad or what? Night shift means night only. What? Morning shift means morning only. No, you're mad or what? You stupid. Anyways.
You see us right now.
Yeah, there was another officer, but he couldn't make it out.
What do you mean? What do you mean he didn't make it out alive?
He
Wait,
he
wait.
couldn't make it
Answer my
out.
question first. What do you mean he didn't make it out alive?
I'll see you at the night shift. The night shift is the entire night. Hello, Mr. ATK. Yeah, we need you to come early to the office.
Earlier. Come on, it's just a few hours
Yes,
until the
because
night,
there's been a
please.
technical error in the office, and the office has closed early. Yes, the store has
You
closed
want me to come
early
right now?
due to technical errors, and now the night shift guard post only remains. So you can go in now. I think it's better that you log in
Oh
now
my god.
so that you can get used to the environment by the time it's
Fine,
night.
fine, I'm coming. I'm on my way. Okay. Phone? Phone is there. Okay. What is this toy factory though? Let's call him. Hello? Yes, I just boarded the bus. I'm on my way to the toy factory right now.
Oh, that's
Okay.
great. You can just tell the bus driver to take the nearest right
Uh-huh.
on Balasubramaniam Road.
And also, what's the history behind this toy factory?
The history. Uh, well, the
Oh,
history is actually very unique.
okay.
It's extremely
One
unique. The
second.
people go
You
missing.
know? ಏಯ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಐ ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡು
Uh,
ಎಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ Yeah, what's the history again?
Okay, I have reached, but it's completely dark. Can we get lights in here, please? Oh my god, why is it so dark? How did that light turn on? Okay, you know what? I'll just give him a call. Hello?
Yes, hello, who is this?
Yes, I
I
have
mean,
reached the toy factory.
yeah, it's you, right? You've reached. Oh, great, great, you've reached. Okay, so what is your current status? Like, what do you
Currently,
see around you?
there are two rooms in front of me. One's a staff room, and the other one
Uh-huh.
has an RCB logo.
Okay, so you have to go into the RCB room one. I think
Okay,
it should just be open. Just pull down the
it's
handle and go right
it's
in there.
locked though.
Oh, it's locked. Then there should be a key on the handle of
Oh
the staff
yes,
room door.
yes, there is a key.
Yeah, I placed that
Okay,
there.
thanks. Okay, this place doesn't look that good, but it doesn't look that bad. It's a pretty decent office, a fan, and I have a good chair. Ooh, that's soft. I hope it's gonna be a great night shift. Uh, oh yeah, this is gonna help me a lot. Okay, I have a nice desk. Um, yeah, I think it's gonna be a pretty good shift. Dun, dun, tara, tara. Dun, dun, tara, tara. The CCTV camera in my room. Hello? Uh, yeah, can you see me? There's a CCTV in my room. Oh, great, you're watching me. So, you're gonna watch me the entire
Yes,
time?
I need to. It is required. Actually, we didn't used to have security cameras before, but a new bill was passed in the governmental presidential
Bro, you know I
office
hate
of
rooms with
this
security cameras, right?
toy store.
Can I like, can I like disable it, please? Can I take it down?
Sometimes it happens, you know.
Yeah, I don't need the money though. Fine, watch me, but don't stalk me, okay?
No, I will stalk you. What you'll do?
What did he say? CCTV camera in my room. Hey, don't stalk me. I know you're watching this right now. Did did someone leave their computer? There's a computer here. Yeah. There's only one sensible reason you would call me. Yeah, there's a laptop here. Oh, oh, it's for me. Okay. So, what can I do on this thing?
Camera is actually very important in faculties like this.
Cameras? Why would I need cameras in a security, like a toy store? The only camera is over here.
Well, you need it for many purposes, but the main purpose is actually
Okay.
for looking around the entire building. You can use it to
Um.
see around the
Okay,
entire
sure.
faculty.
Sure. This place got cameras? Well, let's get into the camera system. So, the first thing I want to question is what are these doo-doo camera angles, bro? Why is there a camera to a plant? Ooh, that car. Okay. Why is there an individual camera for this car? That's good. That's a good toy. That's a good toy. Looks remote control. Okay, what's this button? Close door. Okay, so what happens if I press this? Whoa, the door closed. Okay, there's an open option as well. Whoa, that's crazy. Uh, Light. No, 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 no. Turn that back on. Turn that back on. Yeah, that's much better. Well, this place has a lot of technology. Uh, okay, I'll just get some work done. Check out the place. Check out the cameras. Cameras done. Door done. Light done. What else do I do? Well, I guess I just stay here. Why am I talking to myself? There's no one else here, bro. Who is there to talk? Oh. Well, hello, mister. I forgot you're there just talking me the entire time. Hold up, let me. Hello?
Yo, dude, what's up? How's the shift?
What number do you see right now?
I see the number 4.
Are you serious? Monica! My dear Monica, love you, Monica. Baby, my Monica. Get to my Monica. Oh, my Monica. Baby, my Monica. Monica. Oh, this could be useful. It is dark though, so if the power goes out, this will be useful. Yep, it is getting dark. We should probably check the cameras, what's going on. Okay, camera. Okay, everything seems normal. What? What the? Where, where's the RC car? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't find it. I'm calling. Hello?
Is there any problem?
Yes, I was checking the cameras and the RC car is gone from its place. There was a red RC car in the fourth camera. It is
Oh,
not there anymore.
well, that's interesting. Looks like you're in trouble.
I've landed in trouble? What do you mean? No, where would the car go? What? There's only one option. Is to go and check myself. Staff room. It's locked. Everything is locked except my room. I'm not sure about this. I'll just go back inside. Where is that car? What the? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? Flashlight, flashlight, flashlight. What? Emergency light. An emergency light turned on. God. I need to go investigate. Hello? Uh, Staff room. Yes. Just nothing. No, 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 no. Close that door right now. Close that door right now. Why did I apply to this job? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Hello.
Well, looks like who's decided to meet their
I've met my
end.
end. What? What do you mean?
Yes, you have met your end. You have met your end.
Dude, I thought I
We are
thought we
not
were in this
partners.
together. I thought you were helping me. Come
Oh,
on, please.
you
There's no
chunky
light in here.
little
There's only one
piece of
emergency light.
nothing. I just tricked you into
What do
bringing
you
you in
mean?
this job. You see
What do you
those
mean he's
bags
coming for
behind
me?
you? Do you see those bags behind you? See those bags behind you. Those are the bags. Everything around you is the luggage of people who have left it, who have left behind, who have been left behind, who have been taken by him,
Oh my god,
and
you
he
cheeky.
is
Ah,
coming for you.
open the door. No, 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 please. Please. No, no, no. Emergency light. Flashlight. Please. Please. To whoever walks through that door, please, I haven't done anything to you. Please. Please, please, I haven't done anything to you. Please. Hello? Hello? What the? No, no, no! Where did you go? You were right here. No, no, no. I'm sorry. No, 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 this to me. No, no, no. Please, 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 I'm begging you. Please, RC car, I'm begging you, I didn't do anything. I haven't done anything. Please, please. No! 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 Please don't do this! No!